Here we have a 70 plate Ford Transit Custom 320 Limited EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the Ford grille in the centre. We also have the black exterior paintwork. We have the daytime running lights. We also have the 20-inch alloy wheels finished in a bronze colour. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors. Got the roof rails up top, side steps along the bottom. And we do have the rear spoiler as well as we come round to the back. You'll also find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. Got the tow bar at the rear along with the Transit Custom badging on the left hand side. Now if we just open up the back, you can see we have plenty of space back here. We have the other handle just here so we can open it properly. You can see we also have the storage nets here on the left door and also on the right door, as well as a table. And there's another look at the inside. We also have hooks just here on the right hand side and lights that run all throughout the inside as well. I'll just close the doors and then we'll take a look at the seats. Just close that properly. Come back round to here, you can see sliding doors. Inside of here you can see we have the 3 seats. We also have the curtains as well on the windows, along with the curtains here to block out the front. Just close that back and then head on into the front. You see the same, we have the same leather seats just here. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Both the front seats are heated. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down here. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. You'll find we have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, so I've put my foot on the brake and then turn the vehicle on. Got the cruise control speed limiter here on the left hand side. We also have no warning lights on the dashboard. We then have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, the mobile apps. Going on to the settings, you'll find further features which you can scroll through just like so, like the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We then have the heated seat buttons down here, the ice cold air conditioning and the climate control. We have the automatic gearbox. If you put it into reverse, you'll find that we have the reversing camera with the parking sensors in the top right corner. Put it back into park just like so. We also have the different drive mode, so press onto here. You see we have normal and also the eco drive mode. We then have a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. But that's all I'm showing you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.